Hey, so I'm going to do a bit of a different video now talking about the 5 top spiritual books or life-changing books in my opinion. And these books are ones I've read that have the biggest impact on me personally, and I really think you're going to like these books. So the first one is the Holographic Universe. Holographic Universe talks about various different studies and ideas that show this world is a hologram. It's not real, it's a construct of our collective consciousness that we can influence and change in ways that most people can't even imagine. And this is really, really interesting. I found this super interesting when I read this. So the next book is actually not a spiritual book at all, but it helped me with spirituality and had the biggest impact on me, just like these other books, and that is the 4-Hour Workweek. And you might be thinking, well, what does that have to do with spirituality? Okay, so 4-Hour Workweek shows you how to make a business, an online business, and create passive income. It lets you be able to quit your job, work for yourself, and more importantly, work very few hours, less than 4 hours per week, and that's enough to create an income that sustains you. The reason this had the biggest impact on me is because that let me spend almost my whole time on doing the things I love doing, traveling, having learning experiences, improving myself, reading and researching. So of course that led to so many different discoveries and things that I learned that I just wouldn't have been able to do that if I had to work full time for somebody else. There simply wouldn't be the time, and I wouldn't have the energy or the availability to do it. The next one, and you're going to love this if you're into theories, and not just theories but history and connecting the dots on a big scale, and that is The Secret Teachings of All Ages. This book, and I'm not kidding when I say this, is this thick, and it's absolutely packed full. There's no wasted space in this thing. Every page is full of revolutionary things and connecting the dots and bringing in summarizing life's work of various historians and all kinds of things. Very, very interesting. If you're into hidden secrets, esoteric knowledge, secret societies, you are going to love that book, trust me. But it's not an easy read. It's very difficult to read, very in parts confusing and difficult and complicated. I'm going to have to read it probably 2 or 3 times to fully understand it. All right, the next one is actually a bit of a different one, 10 Faces of the Universe. So this is basically, imagine it's a summary of reality from 10 different perspectives. So one from a physician, one from a biologist, one from an astrophysicist, and so on, like various different, like mathematician, historian, a summary of reality and the world from 10 different perspectives. So each chapter is a different perspective on the world. Very, very interesting. And what you'll notice is that there are so many things that all of these 10 perspectives have in common, which it really does explain what we're in, this reality, and what's likely to happen, and the nature of consciousness. It's so interesting. That's probably one of my favorites. The next one is called The Divine Matrix. The Divine Matrix is a very good one, talking about the hologram that we're in, the illusory universe that we're all in, and it explains how to hack that illusion and hack that hologram to essentially create anything you want. It's very detailed, based in science. It talks about scientific experiments. I've quoted it in several of my videos. Really, really good one. So yeah, and the 6th one is what I would like to hear from you. I would like you to tell me what you think is the most impactful, and I will read everybody's comment, the most impactful, life-changing book. You can only say one, so you have to make it a good one. So let me know in the comments.